Hello, welcome to today's class. We'll basically be talking about how to attempt the 5 markers question in OPSC. See, first of all, let's discuss the question that was given itself in our exam. See, whenever the question is in the form of the ecological impact of mangroves, or it could be the ecological impact of the tropical forest. Now, in this context, remember that you need to do it in 4 points. What are those 4 points? First of all, you have to discuss what are the provisioning services. Provision means what mangroves are providing. Example is your food, fuel, cultural service. What is this cultural service? Cultural service is nothing but your tourism. Next, regulation service. What they are regulating? First, they prevent the coastal erosion. Next, prevent the saline water intrusion. Last but not the least, they are preventing flooding. Next is your support services. Now, what support they are providing? They are providing the support to the flora and they are providing support to the fauna. What is the flora? Mangroves. Example, Sundari Nipa, NEPA. And what is the fauna? It's the RBT. Now, if you understand this, please tell me in the comment section what does RBT means. Next, one of the question that was asked by Subhashish Sahu, that's a what to write during the case of Indus Water Treaty. Now, in this context, I would say that first of all, remember that write what is this Indus Water Treaty. Indus Water Treaty basically was signed in 1960 between India, Pakistan, which was mediated by World Bank. Next, as per the treaty, the Bias, Rabi, Satluj would be under India's control and Indus, Chenab, Jhelum would be under the control of Pakistan. Next, this everything is completed within 36 words. Within 36 words, we have completed this. Next, recently India has been mooting means to thinking, to revoke IWT as a sanction against Pakistan's state sponsored terrorism. See, first of all, you have to write what is the crux of this. Means Indus Water Treaty, with whom it was signed, where was it signed? Yes, if you want to write where was it signed, it was signed in Lahore between the Prime Minister, between our first Prime Minister, that's Jawaharlal Nehru, and President Ayub Khan. Now, if you want to put that in here, also you're most welcome to put that. You can also put it over here, and I would request you to put it over here. Now, but let us understand. Let us understand what is the logic of attempting this question. See, this question are pinpointed question. Let's look at in the first question itself. It said the ecological impact of mangroves. Nowhere it is asking what mangroves are. But in this context, if you start writing first the definition of mangroves, then I'll write the ecological impact of mangroves, you will lose time, you will lose marks. Because nowhere it has asked what are mangroves. And if you're giving the definition of the mangroves and not writing all these 4 points, you will lose the marks. Similarly, with respect to the Indus Water Treaty, if you are not writing what Indus Water Treaty is all about and starting with this, that recently India is thinking of revoking the Indus Water Treaty because of the Pakistan state sponsored terrorism, you might get 0.5 marks only, not more than that, because you have not addressed the question what is Indus Water Treaty. So please, whenever you're attempting the 5 markers, go straight pinpoint. What the question is asking, I'll write according to the question. Asking the definition, I'll do it according to definition. Asking for an analysis, I'll directly write the analysis without going for the definition. I hope you got that. Thank you.